In this video, I'll show you how to change your Google search language on Google Chrome. So you can see I'm on Chrome right now on Google, and the default language is all in Thai. So if I go ahead and search for anything and click enter, all of the results and all of Google here is in Thai. Now, how do we get this into English? So what we need to do is make a search. So I've made a search for microphone. Then you want to go to the settings in the top right hand corner, and that will take you to the search settings. Now go ahead and click on the language icon, which is going to be the world icon here. So click on that, and it's going to then show you this button, which is going to be separate from these other two. You want to click on the top button and then go ahead and search for English. So now I've done a search for English. We can just click English, and then you want to click on the right button, and then it's going to change everything back to English. Okay, so after doing that, you can see once I've closed out of Google Chrome and retyped in microphone, you can see all the results are now in English, and like all of Google Chrome is in English. So that's how to do it. Just settings, language, and here you can change your settings.